Weight shift to the left, turn your dantian to the right. Right hand comes on top, the left hand pulls the left foot in, hold your ball. Then step across the railroad track, serve the hors d'oeuvre. Squirt the heel, weight shift back, turn your doorknobs, right foot, right hand. Across the railroad track, serve the hors d'oeuvre. Turn and hold that pie with your right hand now. Left hand brings left foot. Spiral your right hand. Step across the railroad track, push the pie. Weight shift back, turn the doorknobs. Left hand picks up the pie. Spiral that left hand across the railroad track, push the pie. Then waving hands in clouds to the left. Right hand scoops right foot in, left hand holds the bell. Step across the railroad track, single whip. Let go of the bell, weight shift to the left. Right hand brings right foot, left hand brings left foot. Kick to the left. Kick to the right. Now waving hands to the right. Now left hand scoops the left foot in, hold the bell with your right hand. Cross the railroad track and single whip. Let go of the bell, weight shift. The left hand brings left foot. Scoop the right leg in. Ward off to the right. Grab the rope. Weight shift back. Release. Push, release, press down, push. Part the curtain, right hand brings right foot, scoop the left foot in. I'm going to step forward a little bit there and ward off. Push, release, press. Part the curtain, left hand, left foot, right foot out. Pick up the sea foam, cross the wrist, turn the left dantian, shoulder width apart, adjust that left heel if you need to, untie, and standing up. Good luck with your practice.